Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Jason again. Just kind of working on my robot over here. Let's see this guy right here. I just kind of added some new functionality to it, and I was feeling pretty good about it, so I thought I'd share. Currently, I switched out the there was a Surface Microsoft Surface that went here that would control this Arduino, which is over here. It's the Mega, and then basically that taps into this joystick over here that basically controls this whole thing. But I added this Raspberry Pi that I mess around with, and I tapped into the joystick in the front here, and I also tapped into the joystick here for people who have not seen this robot before. This is the one that basically controls the joystick. So like the wires that goes through here, I basically put some pulse width conditioners, which is this guy right here, and then it basically simulates the joystick movements based on commands that come from the Raspberry Pi to the Mega. And then what I just recently added was this piece right here. I'm getting the voltage, the 25 or 24 volts that come out of here. It's going into this dude, which is going into a cord, into the Pi, which goes in here and here. The reason that this is, some of the things that are different that are cool about this is this little dude right here, this voltage converter, is 3 amps, where all the other ones that I've had have always been the 2 amps. Oops, hold on a second. Has been the 2 amps, and that's been causing a problem where it's not getting enough electricity to run the Arduino, so that's been a problem. So basically, it's using the batteries from the wheelchair to run the Raspberry Pi and the Arduino all in one. So now, for the first time, I think ever, it only requires one set of batteries, which is fantastic. So the other thing I did is I made this little joystick app, because now it has the it's using the Raspberry Pi that's in here. So I made this little app, and I can just kind of move it around. Let's see if I can get this going here, both in the shot. So I move the, oops, hold on a second. See, look at it go. Hey, don't hit my car. Haha, silly robot. You know, and then boo doo doo doo. Look at that, look at that. Pretty cool. Let me see about, let's see here. I'm gonna kind of drive it around a little bit. It's pretty good. Whoa, I gotta turn down the speed on this thing. But, you know, because it's Wi-Fi, I wasn't exactly sure how far it'll drive. I did program it that if it loses connectivity, it should just stop. There's my ring picking it up. There you go. It's kind of going down the block here. Oh no, don't hit the car. I like that car. So it's just driving down to the driveway. That's pretty cool. Wi-Fi is working a little farther than I was expecting. I didn't know how far it would go. I don't know if you guys can see this anymore. It's kind of cool. So we're all the way down at the driveway. It's pretty fast. I want to drive it over that way, see how. There it goes. Nah, don't hit my basketball coop. Oh no, look at that. Just take a trip in the yard. Yeah, just driving around in the yard. Take a turn. What? There's a robot coming this way. What are you doing, robot? All right. Well, I just kind of wanted to share because it was a fun thing to do. And I don't know. Hopefully I'll get to the point where I actually share the specs and diagrams. This is using my own ROS. I built it as proprietary. see here. There's some of the other robots over there in the garageo. Look at this, they're making friends. Don't run into my cars. All right, well, hey, thanks for checking this out. And if you got any questions or whatever, or just want to talk shop, I like talking shop. So shoot me a message and I'll talk to you later.